Dennis's 76 Dodge. This is a hang 10 with a slant 6. Boys and girls, this car is awesome. And she is a rare little number that we love. She's had a trans leak. I've been super busy, so it's been impossible for me to get over here. And this thing's been up on the stacker. So it was leaking at the pan. It's really gonna be pretty easy fix. I already started loosening up the bolts. Another cool thing about this, it's a slant 6 car with a header. Yeah, I love it. Anyway, this car's cool. You'll see more of it here in a little bit. But right now, I'm just pulling the pan.
Well, thankfully someone didn't silicone the piss out of this, which happens most of the time on these.
Pan's back in on the hang 10. Gonna drain the oil real quick, change the filter, lower her down the rest of the way, change the oil, or add trans fluid, down the old road. Ready for casual concourse.